Yo, what's up, guys? I'm back again. This is his boy Media. One before I was Machiavelli, you already know. So I decided to change my name in case it's confusing. So today I want to show you on how you can create a CV, on how you can create a CV for yourself to use it and get a job. You can get a job with this CV in a good format for those of us who don't know how to create a CV and a cover letter. You want to use it for to look for a job. So I want to teach you now, so please watch attentively. As you watch, try and share this for educational purpose. So let's go into it now. Let's go to the site on where we can create a perfect CV for our job. For those of us that are looking job indeed, job banks. You want to get a job from different countries, but you need this CV. You understand? And you don't know how to create it online. Let me show you. On this side, we'll follow the step by step, follow the instructions. So let's go now. Let's go and create it now. Let's go, my friend. Where is the Chrome? Let's go to Chrome. Once you tap here, my perfect CV, you tap it immediately. My perfect CV. Once you search it, this is it. My perfect CV.uk. Then you click here. As you can see, this is how it is. You understand? Free CV maker. Build your perfect CV online. This is how you can do it. Our online CV helps create your curriculum better in just a few minutes. Just let's go. As you can see, this is how it is. So let's get into it. This is how it is, as you can see. So let's build one. You click on build a new CV. Please watch attentively. As you are watching, try and share to help everybody. You understand? Those that need it, you never can tell. So this for educational purpose on how you can build your CV. You see, this is it. Create a CV. You understand? How long have you been working? It's very easy. How long have you been working? You might take 3 years experience, 3 to 5 years experience, 5 to 10 years experience, 10 years plus experience. So let's take 3 years experience. Are you a student? Yes or no? Okay, I'm not a student. No. You can see, you can choose the format. Let's choose a format here. I've chosen a format. Continue. Create a new CV. As you can see, you will input your name. You can click here to put your photo library. You can see my photo here. I've added my photo. You can see it. You can see I've added my photo. I will add my name. You understand? Let me add my name. As you can see, this is just it. It's very simple as ABC. You have nothing to worry about. Put your street number, so. Put here, so. Put here, Nigeria. Put your area code. Put your phone number. Put your email. Then you continue. This is just it. It's not